Okay, guys, hello again, and hope you had all of you a good vacation. Now, today we'll continue, inshallah, in the second semester with lesson 11 in volume 1, chapter 6, divide decimals by whole numbers, page 443. Now, let's remember what we did at the last period or the last periods in the previous semester. We did multiplication of decimals. We said if we want to multiply 2.3, for example, multiply 1.5, multiply by decimals. We said we can multiply without putting the decimals like this, multiply normally. Then we do the steps of multiplication. Here we have 15, 11, 3, 2, and here 0. Then we add, right? So here it is 5 and 4 and 3. So the answer of the multiplication without decimal is 345. So we put our answer here, and then we count the digits after the decimals. Here we have 2 digits after the decimals. So we go from the right and count 2 digits, then put our decimal like this. So the answer 3.45. This is what we did in the previous lessons. Today we will go to division of decimals. We finished with multiplication of decimals. Today we will divide decimals by whole number. Like, for example, if I want to divide 2575 divided by 5. Here I have decimal, and here I don't have decimal. If I don't have decimal, we call it whole number. Whole number. So today we will divide decimal by whole numbers. Decimal by whole numbers. Now we'll do long division normally. For example, we'll do this long division. This is the dividend. We put it here. 2, 5, decimal 7, 5 divided by 5. And we will do the same steps, guys, of the long division. And we did long division before. We did a lot of long divisions before. So we'll do the same steps. So I'll start with the first number 2 here. 2 is less than 5, so I cannot divide. I'll take the two numbers, 25. Now 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 multiplied 25 is 25. Subtract 0. We know that. Now, I will go to get the 7 down, but I have decimal before. Once you have the decimal, you put it up directly. Again, once you have the decimal, you put it up directly. So 2 cannot divide on 5. 25 on 5 is 5. 5 multiply 5, 25, subtract 0. Now you will go to take the 7. You will go to take the 7 and put it down. But don't do that. Don't skip the decimal. If you have the decimal in your way, put it up directly. Then get the 7 down. So don't get the 7 down before putting the decimal up. It's important. Don't skip the decimal. Now we'll continue dividing. 7 divided on 5 is 1. 1 multiply 5 is 5. Subtract 2. Then we get the 5 down, 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 multiply 5, 25. Subtract 0. So what I did here, guys, I did normal division. I did normal division, same steps of the normal division. But when I get the decimal, I put it up directly. I didn't skip it, okay? So what's the answer now? It is 5 decimal 15. 5 decimal 15. 5 decimal 15. This is how we divide decimal on whole numbers. We divide normally, but if we have decimal, we put it up directly. Let's take another example about this idea. For example, if I have this decimal divided by whole number, let's say 73.29 divided by 2. Okay, now let's divide normal division. 73 decimal 29 divided by 2. Now look here, guys, it's important. Now I'll start with 7. 7 can divide on 2. Yes, 7 is bigger than 2. So here we have a 3. 3 multiplied 2 is 6. Subtract 1. Then I'll get the 3 down. We have 13. Now 13 divided by 2 is 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Subtract 1. Now I will go to take the 2 down, but I have what? Decimal. I have decimal. I put it up directly. Do not skip the decimal. Do not skip the decimal. Don't put the 2 down before putting the decimal up. It's wrong. Now after I put the decimal down, I get the 2 down. Now I have a 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 multiplied 2 is 12. Subtract 0. Now I have the 9. Put the 9 down. 9 divided by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied 2 is 8. Subtract 1. I don't have other numbers here. I'm done. I have remainder 1. Here I have remainder 0. And here I have remainder 1. If I finish the numbers, and here I have remainder another than 0, because we have decimal in the quotient, we can add 0, guys. We can add 0 and continue dividing. So in the decimal, guys, there is no remainder. Don't put like this number, remainder 1. No, we don't put remainder here. We will continue division. We'll continue dividing. So here I have 1, the remainder. Because I have decimal, I always add 0. But here I didn't do it because I already had the remainder 0. Here I don't have the remainder 0. I had 1. So I put the 0. Now 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Subtract 0. If I have remainder 0, we stop. So the answer here is 36 decimal 645. This is how we deal with division, guys. How we divide decimals by whole numbers. We divide normally. If we have the decimal, we put it up. And if we have a remainder not 0, we add 0 beside it and continue dividing until we have remainder 0. This is the idea of dividing the decimal by whole number. We'll use our skills, guys, like zeros in quotient, like guess and check. We did a lot of division in the previous chapters. So we'll do the same steps of the division which we did before. Now, I will take your questions if you have, guys. So if you have questions, put your hand. If you have questions, put your hand. If you don't have questions, guys, remove your hand so I can manage the things here. Okay. Ahmed Muhammad. Ahmed.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Ahmed.
Mister, we are in the second semester. We must to use volume 2, yes?
Not today. Volume 2, no. We will finish this one, this chapter, then we'll go to volume 2. We're still in volume 1.
Okay.
We are on page 443, Yabni. Do you understand what we did here?
Yes.
Yeah. Go to question 1, ya Ahmed. Read the question 1. We are on page 444, guys. All of you go there. Ahmed. Hello. طيب. محمد وشلي.
Yes, Mister.
Hamad, we are on page 444. Read the question 1.
Page
444. Quickly, Ibni.
question 1. Divide.
Yalla, what are the numbers, ya Muhammad, in page 444? Question 1.
3 divided by
No, yeah, mister. This number divided by 3. What's this number?
48 decimal 33.
Decimal 3 like this?
33. I say 2 3.
Yeah. 48 decimal 33 divided by 3. Yalla, Muhammad. We'll do the same steps of division. Can you tell me what I will do here? Yalla.
First, 4 divided by 3.
3. Yalla. How much 4 divided by 3?
1.
1. ممتاز. Hey 1. 1 multiply 3.
3.
3. Now we will do subtraction, right?
Yes.
Yalla. 4 minus 3 is
4 minus 3 is 1.
1. ممتاز. Now what I will do?
8 is down.
Yalla, put the 8 down. It will be 18. 18 divided by 3. How much?
18 divided by 3. 1.
6.
Oh,
6 multiply 3. How much?
6 multiply 3 equal 2.
علي صوتك يا ابني. I cannot hear you.
Okay, the mic is far from my mouth.
Yalla. 18 minus 18. How much?
18 minus 18 equals 0.
Good. Now we have decimal. What I will do?
Put the decimal behind the 16.
Good. So the decimal, we put it up directly before I get the 3 down. I put the decimal up. Now I will put the 3 down, right?
Right.
Yeah. 3 divided by 3. How much?
3 divided by 3 equals 0.
Not a 3 minus a 3, يا ابني. 3 divided by 3.
1.
1. 1 multiply 3 is?
1. What? I don't hear.
Now put the 3 down. 3
Okay.
divided by 3. How much?
1.
Another 1. 1 multiply 3 is?
1 multiply 3 is 3.
Is the 3. Now 3 minus a 3 is? 0.
3.
Do we have numbers here, ya Muhammad? Or we finish?
We have 1 8. 1 3.
What?
1 3 left.
No, I put it already. I did it. This is the first 3 and this is the second 3.
No, we don't have anything.
So we are done, right? So what's the answer? 16.11. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Good boy. Copy, guys. This is question 1, page 444. Copy.
Mister, don't mute me, please, because I have something to say. So there's things I have to say. Mister,
Well,
where's the next book will come?
after we finish this chapter.
Okay.
Yeah. Now with Ziad.
Yes, Mister.
Question 2 is Ziad.
8.8 divided 2.
Yeah. 8.8 divided by 2. We do long division under the question.
2 multiply 4.
8 divided by 2 is?
4.
4 multiply 2.
8 minus 0. 8 down. 8 down.
No. يا مستر
decimal
أهم
up
شيء
decimal.
كده.
Decimal.
The most
decimal.
important thing we said,
Decimal.
do not
Decimal.
skip the decimal. صح?
Decimal.
Do not skip it.
صح.
Do not skip the decimal. Put the decimal up, take the 8 down.
4 also.
4.
8.
8 by 2, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So what's the answer?
4 decimal 4.
4.4. This is the answer. Copy, guys. This is question 1 and the question 2, page 444. Copy them both quickly. Now we'll move to page 445, guys. Page 445, question 3. Yalla, who can help me with this one? Kinan.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla, Kinan. Page 445, question 3. Read.
Divide and check your answer using multiplication.
We know how to check, guys, right? We check the answer by multiplying the quotient with the dividend, with the divisor. The answer should be the dividend. We did that before. So today we will divide only. Now, yalla, tell me question 3. What we have?
100.
بسرعة يا ابني بسرعة.
145 decimal 8 divided 12.
بسرعة يا ابني بسرعة لا تسكت. يلا. Now we will do the long division under of 8. Here I will put 145 decimal 8 and here 12. يلا tell me what I will do.
We put 1.
Why 1?
If we put
Why?
2, the equal. If we
Which
put 2,
numbers
it
we
will
will
be
use
24.
here, ya Mister?
14,
Mister, which
14, 14, yeah, Mr.
we use
14, we take
because
14.
1 is less than 12, so I will take the other numbers. So we will do the same steps of the division in the previous semester. So here 14 divided by 12 is 1. 1 by 12 is 12. Subtract 2. Then
we put the 5 down.
Put the 5 down. We have 25.
We put 2.
2. 2 multiply 12. 24. Subtract
1.
Then
we put the decimal up.
We get the decimal, we put it up. Mumtaz. Then
we put the 8 down.
18.
Then we put 1.
1 also, because 2 gives it 24. 1 multiply 12, 12.
The answer will be 6.
6. Then
we put 0.
We are done with the numbers here, right?
And because in the decimal we do not put remainder, remainder.
Here, guys, we are done and the remainder 0. Here we are done and the remainder is not 0. At this case, because we have decimal up, we can add 0 here.
Equal 5, Mr. 5.
60 divided by 12. If you guess and check, remember guessing and checking, we did that. 60 divided by 12 is 5. 5 multiplied 12. 60. Subtract
0.
So what's the answer?
12 decimal 15.
Excellent boy. 12 decimal 15. This is the answer of question 3. Copy it, guys, please. Sorry. This is question 3, question 2, and the question 1. Copy them, guys. Now let's go to question 4 together. Question 4. What we have in question 4? Who can help me? Omar Adnan.
In question 4, we have a 22.1.
يا ابني ركز واقرأ شوي شوي. 22 point what?
11.
11 أيوة.
divided by 11. 11.
22.11 divided by what? 11 also?
Yes. Awesome.
Yeah, let's make long division.
Okay.
22 divided 11 divided by 11. Yeah.
Okay. 2 divided by 11, we can't. So we'll take the second 2. 22 divided by 11 equal 2.
Mumtaz. 2 multiply 11.
22. 22 minus
Subtract.
22, 0. Then we put the decimal up.
We have decimal, we put it up. Good. Now,
The 1 down.
we put the 1 down.
Then we will put 0.
Excellent. 0 in quotient. Remember, guys, when we get a number down and this number here is less than the divisor, we put 0 in quotient before we get the other number beside it. We did that before, right?
Yes.
So 1 down, the 1 is less than the divisor, so we put 0. Then we get the other 1 down.
Yes.
11 divided by 11.
Equal 1.
1 multiply 11.
11. 11 minus 11 equals 0.
So what's the answer?
2.01.
Excellent boy, thank you. Copy, guys, this is question 4. This is question 4, guys. Copy it, please. Now we'll move to question 5. Don't forget the 0 in quotient, guys. Huh? Don't forget that. Question 5 with Z Diya.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla ya Zaid, read the question 5.
Question 5, 38 decimal 4 divided by 60.
Divided by what?
16.
16.
Line them.
Yalla, let's make long division.
Yes, long
38
division.
decimal 4 divided by 16. Yalla, help me here.
3 divided the 16 we can't. We will take the 8 with it. Now 38
It will be
divided by
38.
16. 2.
Is
2.
It's 2. Mumtaz. We guess and check, remember?
Yes.
Now, 2 multiply 16 is?
38 minus 32 equals 6.
6. Then
Decimal up.
we put the decimal up. Mumtaz. Then
Before we put 4 down, 6 is less than 16. We put
no,
0.
it's not less. 64 we have.
Yes, but you say in the question 4, before we put it before. If it's less, we put 0.
Stop. Is this less?
No, but you said before we put the 4 or the number up.
No, mister. No, no, no. Look
No,
here. Here what we have? Only 1.
1. Yes.
So I put 0 in quotient because 1 less than 11. Then I get the 1 down. But here what we have?
Oh, sorry. Now I understand. Okay.
64. It's bigger. No need to put 0.
64.
Now 64 divided by 16. How much?
Try 3.
Try 3. 3 by 16 is 48. I want 64.
Try 4.
Try 4. 4 by 16 is 64.
Okay, perfect. 4
It's 4.
up. 4.
4 by 16,
64 minus 64
64.
equals 0. The answer is 2 decimal 4.
2.4. Mumtaz. Thank you. This is question 5, guys. Done by Z. So let's do more. This is question 4 and 5. Do them, guys. Copy them in your book, please. And let's move to question 6 together. Question 6 with Kareem.
Yes, Mister.
Read the question 6 Kareem.
12.4
هلا
12.4 divided by 8.
by 8 like this.
Yes.
12.4 divided by 8. Tell me.
We'll put 1 multiply 8 is 8.
Hello. 12 minus 8.
4.
ايش؟
4.
4. ممتاز. Then
we'll put the decimal.
put the decimal up. Then
we'll put the 4 down.
ممتاز. We have 44 now. 44 divided by 8.
5.
ممتاز. 5. 5 multiply 8.
40.
Subtract
4.
4. We stop?
No.
Huh?
We'll put 0.
The remainder is not 0. What we will do, because we have decimal, we add what?
0.
0. Now, 40 divided by 8.
It's 5.
It's 5. ممتاز. 5 multiply 8.
40.
Subtract 0. So what's the answer?
1 decimal 55.
ممتاز. 1 decimal 55. This is question 6. Thank you, Kareem. Copy, guys. Question 6, please. And let's go with the question 7. So look, guys, all of the remainder should be 0. If you have the remainder 0, you stop. If you don't have the remainder 0, because we have decimal in the quotient, we add 0 for the remainder. Then we continue, okay? This is question 6. Let's go to question 7 with Muhannad.
Yes, Mister. Question
Helen.
7.
يلا read.
14.14 divided 14.
14.14 divided by 14. Yeah.
Yes. When we can, so we will take 4. It will be 14. It will be 1.
1 by 14.
14 minus 0.
Yeah. Then
We put the decimal up.
I put the decimal up. Then
1 down.
1 down.
Then the 1 is less than 14. So we will
we
put
bring
0.
the one, we brought the 1 down, and the 1 is less than 14. So what I will put here?
0.
0 in quotient. Mumtaz. Don't forget that,
Yes.
guys. Then
4 down.
4 down. It's 14. 14 divided by 14.
1.
1. 1 multiply 14.
14 equals
Subtract.
0.
So we are done.
0.
So the answer 1 decimal 0 1.
0 1.
Decimal 0 1. Thank you, Muhammad.
Welcome.
This is question 7, guys. Copy it, please. And let's do question 8 with Yahya. Yahya.
Yes, Mister.
What we have question 8 يحيى.
55.44 divide 11.
حلو. يلا.
5 divide 11. 5.
5 by 11.
55. Minus 0.
Then.
Put the decimal in the quotient. Put the 4 down. 4 divide 11 we can't, so we will put 0.
0 in quotient. Then
0 times 11, 0.
no need. خلاص. Get the 4 down. It will be what?
44.
Divided by 11.
4.
4 multiply 11.
44.
Subtract.
0.
So what's the answer? It's 5.04. Get it? Get it, Yahya? Good. Now, copy, guys. We have 7 and 8. Copy them both. Question 9. Question 9, I'll do it quickly, guys. The question said, divide, round to the nearest tenth. We did rounding before, no need to round, we will divide on all. So 7.21 divided by 7. 7.21 divided by 7. So down of it, I will make my long division. 7.21 divided by 7 normally. Now 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 multiply 7 is 7. Subtract 0. Now I have my decimal. We put it up and get the 2 down. The 2 less than 7. At this case, we put 0 in quotient. Then I will put the 1 down. 21 divided by 7 is a 3. 3 multiply 7 is a 21. Subtract 0. So the answer is 1.03. So this is the lesson, guys. Still, we have a few questions down here. You can find the answers of them as a practice in your home. Don't forget to do your homework, guys. Send it to Classera as usual. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you so much and have a good day. Goodbye for all.